Hello everyone. So I have a question for you. Do you want to learn how to create amazing and stunning presentation with just one click? Check out these presentations. In this video, I'll show you how you can create these type of presentations with just one click in Canva. So the first step is you need to have your Canva account. What you can do is you can search Canva or you can check out the link in description which I have put in description. For this tutorial, you don't need to have a Canva Pro account, but if you want to, you can get. But for this video, for this tutorial, it will do the job with the free version. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click on presentation and then it will give you a blank document, a black canvas. So what you need to do is you have two options. One option is you just click on the bottom right side and click on Canva Assistant and click on Magic Design. And here you can type the prompt and then it will design the presentation for you. Another way to, if you are not able to see this option, then there is another way is that on the left side is Magic Designer. It's the same thing. So you need to type your prompt here. So once you type the prompt, it will design your presentation accordingly. Let me just create one for you as well. So you can see this is my prompt. I have typed must do things in Australia and let's see what type of presentation it will generate for us. By the way, you can see it has a limit of 100 characters. So you can describe your prompt, but try to keep it less than 70 or 80 characters, but 100 will be fine too. Okay. So let me just press the enter button and it will start to generate a presentation, which is impressive. Let's see. Okay. So it has given us multiple designs to look for, and let me just see what are these designs about. Okay, so it has given us plenty of designs. This one is good, but I want it to start again. So this time I am writing must do things in America. Okay, let's see what it generates us. Okay, it is generating something and it will show us the designs as well. Okay, now it looks good. You can see your style, see more. If we let me just click on this one. I'm liking this template more than the previous one. Actually, this one is good too, but let's go with this one. And if we just click on see more, okay. Okay, just click on create my presentation and then you can see it has generated a presentation with 10 slides. So currently it has a limitation of 10 slides. So you need to have a pro account for more slides, or maybe it will be improved in the future as well. I'm not confirmed by the pro account feature that it will give you more slides or not, but yeah, it is something that we are restricted on. So you can see it has used images that are pro images, but yeah, you can always customize the images and that kind of stuff. But for now, I will let these images be as they are, and I'll continue. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let me just go to the upload section. Okay, let me just go to the section of photos, and from here we can type the particular photo and we can do the adjustment as well. But you got my point. You can add your custom images by uploading your images from computer as well. But you got my point that we can select images from here as well. If I type from America. If I type America, it will give us a lot of images. You can see. I have showed you that how you can add custom images to it as well. So this is one example of that. So you can add these kind of images and you can customize it. I mean, you can change the font as well. Let me just click on Anton and you can see it has completely changed the font. And yeah, these are some customization that you can do with your project. but that is pretty much it. You can type it anything to write for you, and then it will generate a presentation accordingly. So Canva is very helpful. You can design images, you can design other project stuff on Canva, and you can now design presentation with the help of Canva AI, which is amazing. I mean, you can see here just created me whole presentation in just one, with the help of just one click. So it's very useful. The better you are in prompting, the better your results will be. So, and if you want to save the presentation or if you want to download, there are two options. You can present you can also present the presentation with the help of full screen, present full screen, present view, present and record. It will, what it will do, it will give is its access to your camera or webcam, whatever you are using, and then it will just record your video as an overlay and a presentation behind it, and autoplay as well. If you want to save it, then you need to just click on share button, and then you need to go in the download section, and then you can download PDF standard and download, and then it will be on your PC. Right now it have used the images of Canva Pro, but yeah, you can always change these images from by searching here. Okay, so this is the way you can create amazing presentations with the help of Canva. So this was the video for today. I really hope so you have smashed the like button and subscribe to the channel if you find value in my content. Plus, if you want to see more videos like these, then you can comment down in the comment section. Plus, I have also given link of Canva in the description of this video. So I'll see you next time. But one thing, if you haven't watched my other videos on channel, you can watch those videos as well. Plus, thank you so much for the love and support you are showing on the channel. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.